Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies in Derry, New Hampshire, and today we'll be talking about the PoolTux Saltwater Chlorine Generator. This is the PoolTux Saltwater Chlorine Generator. It's ideal for both above and in-ground pools up to 28,000 gallons. It comes conveniently in the box with all of the connections you need to install it, and it also plugs into a standard 110 outlet. Shown here is the standard 110 plug, which will plug into any existing outlet with no electrician required, provided you have an additional outlet by your pool. As we know, saltwater chlorine generators will produce chlorine based off of the salt that you put in your pool, replacing the need for traditional shock and chlorine tablets. Shown here is the control unit itself. We have this mounted on a pressure-treated 2x4 post that would be cemented in so that it's stable and able to be easily accessed and away from the elements. On the unit itself here, we'll have indicator lights showing low salt readings, issues with the cell, if there's poor water flow, which as you can see on ours is illuminated as we have this plugged in but not hooked up to an existing filter system. And then you would have your control buttons here. This unit itself will have 8 different levels of chlorine production, which you can cycle through to your desired chlorine production. You also have a superchlorinate option, which will max out the chlorine production for a 24-hour cycle to catch you up on those really hot days. Over here, we have the salt cell for the PoolTux Saltwater Chlorine Generator. As you can see, we have this hooked up to a sample pool wall, and it will just hook directly into the return on the pool. It goes in series with the filter and the pump, and this is the last thing before the water goes into the pool, and the salt cell itself is what converts the salt into the chlorine for your pool. Please stop by any of our stores or visit us on easytestpools.com for more information or to purchase. Thanks for watching.